Student. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, and the chapter is what? Linear equation. Okay. So linear equation means what? The equation where we have in our class 8 standard we will learn about only one variable. Okay. So linear equation in one variable topic we will learn. So here what is the main properties? Here we have only the power. That is the power of the equation always 1. Okay, that type of equation are known as linear equation, and here we have only one variable. Okay, so see here 5x plus 7 equal to suppose 2. So we got x value. For a x unique value we will get this value 2. So this here we have only one variable which is x. Okay, and the power of x is what? 1. So that such type of equation are known as linear equation. Okay, now in linear equation we have two parts. This part is called left hand side, and this part which is right after the equal sign, this is known as right hand side. Okay, and for every linear equation, there is only one unique solution to get this required value. Suppose you have given like that. Say you have given 7x plus 3 equal to say 10. Okay, so if we are going to do it, then we will get 7x transport the c to the right hand side. It is here plus, so it is become minus. So he will get what? 7, and x value will get what? 7 by 7 equal to 1. That means what? For x value 1 we will get right hand side 10. So here only for one x value 1 we will get the right hand side as a 10. Okay, that means to get this right hand side we have to get x value 1. That means only one solution, and or which is unique solution which have value 1 to get only the 10 on the right hand side. Okay, so this is the linear equation solution. So now we'll discuss some maths related to that linear equation, and also we will also discuss how to check our result, whether it is the correct or whether it is the wrong, how to check it. Okay, say you have given an equation like that. Say you have given 2x minus 9 equal to 11. Suppose you have given an equation like that. What to do now? Transport minus 9 to the right hand side. So as it is here minus, it is here negative here. So if we transport this to the right hand side, this will become positive. Because it is here negative, so if we transport to the right hand side, this become positive. So 2x equal to 20, and x equal to what? 20 by 2 equal to 10. Okay, that means this 10 is the solution of this given linear equation. So if we are asked to find a solution, then we have to do it like that. Okay, now question is how to check our answer, whether it is correct or whether it is wrong. So for checking we have to do one thing. See, for check the answer, suppose you have given 2x minus 9 equal to 11. Na? So to check the answer, you first see the left hand side. Okay, write the left hand side, 2x minus 9. Now x value we have given, we got the x value what? 10. So in place of x write 10 minus 9, or 20 minus 9 equal to, you will get 11. This 11 is equal to that right hand side. That means you can say equal to right hand side. So you can say what? The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we can say what? This to the x value, we got the x value what? We got the x value 10, and this is correct. That our answer is correct. Okay, so there is another method. There is also we have to do some maths like that. Suppose you have given, say you have given like that. Yes, this one 0.04x 6x minus 1 equal to 0.2x plus 5. So whenever we have point, our calculation or our simplification become little bit more complicated, because we have point here. Na? So to remove this point, what do we need to do? See, 0.04, that means after point how many digits we have? 2 digits. So you can write 4 by 1 2, that is 100. Okay, and 6x minus 1, here you can write 2 by 2x by 10. Be careful, you do not consider that one, this is not a number. Okay, so consider only that one. So after point how many digits we have? Only one digit, so we are dividing this by 2 plus 5. So if we do the calculation, now we will get 4 whole into 6x minus 1 divided by 100, or you will get 2x plus 1 divides 10 times, so 10 into 5, 10 into 5 divided by 10, or you will get, by doing the calculation, you will get, suppose 24x minus 4 by 100, or simply you will get here what, 2x plus 50 by 10. Now this 10 0, this 0 can be cancelled, so you will remain only what, 24x minus 4 by 10, and here it is remaining 2x plus 50 by 1, only 1. Okay, so if we do the, now we have to do the cross multiplication, that means the numerator into the right hand side denominator, and the denominator of the left hand side to the numerator of the right hand side. So if we do the cross multiplication, we will get like that. What we will get? We will get like 24x minus 4 equal to 10 into 2x plus 5, 50. So by doing the calculation, you will get 24x minus 4, and here it is 20x plus, you will get 500, or 24. Now very important part, this is x, this is x na? So whether we have the x, bring them to the same side, and whether you have the numbers, bring them to the same side. That is, here it is a x, bring it to the left hand side, here it is positive, so it is become negative, here it is negative, so this one become positive, or 4x equal to 504, or x value we will get what, 504 by 4, or you will get 126, which is our unique solution for that given linear equation. Now same method, by putting the left hand side, also by putting the right hand side, you have to check the answer. Okay, but the method is same. Okay, so very basic maths are there. Some, see, suppose we have given a diagram like that. We have given a triangle ABC, which is given, suppose 30 degree, it is given 60 degree, and it is given x. Okay, now as it is given x, so we are also find the value of x. So clearly we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle, the sum of three angles of a triangle is always what, 180 degree. So to get this solution, what you will get, x plus 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree, because the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree, or x equal to what, 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree, or you can write here x equal to 90 degree, which is our required answer. Okay, also we have given like some diagram like that. See, this is a parallelogram are given A, B, C, D. It is value given, suppose 130 degree. Okay, and we are to find this. Now always remember, the sum of two co-interior angles of a parallelogram, these are the co-interior angles, na? So sum of these two co-interior angles of a parallelogram always 180 degree. So x plus 130 you can write 180 degree. So you will get x equal to what, 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to what, 50 degree. Okay, so we are from the parallelogram, from the triangle, we are also getting some linear equation, and we are solving this by the same method. Okay, so lastly, suppose now lastly I am going to describe one more diagram here. Suppose you have given one more diagram which is given, say like that. Here the line segments are given, here it is given 20, suppose the length of the line is given 20, and here this part is given suppose x, and this part is given suppose 12. So see, whether this part or the upper part, the line is same, na? So you can write what, x plus 12 equal to 20, because what, because the line is same. So here it is 20, here it is x plus 12. These two will be equal. So simply do the calculation. 20 minus 12 equal to 8. So this portion will be what? 8. Okay. So this is some way how to do some linear equation, and very simple way. We have to just transport the number to the left hand side to right hand side, or right hand side to left hand side, or we have to separate the number which contain the variable, or we have to separate the number which only the number or the constant term. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, thank you.